go everywhere.
Perfect.
And that was the name that he
Yes.
gave me.
You ready?
I mixed his paints. The less white we could get into a color, the better.
For me, I just put the color I like. If I want to put purple here, I put purple here. I want to put blue, I put blue. You know, I just don't say that's the color I'm going to put. I just put the color on there.
Yes.
But these fake paintings were milky. White had been mixed in liberally into the paint. Norval would do the drawing on a bare canvas, put in the colors, do the lining
Yes,
on
like
top,
that.
2 layers on top of those colors.
Yes. Good.
For the most part, these guys were doing their sketch right on the
Yes,
canvas,
good.
doing the black lines, then filling the colors on top of the black.
Oh. Yes.
They missed
Good. That was
everything,
good.
Really, that was more so from my perspective.
Yes. Good. Yes. Good.
For 10 years, the commercial painting
Yes,
was done
good.
very well.
Who were some of the galleries and collectors you were mainly dealing with inside?
Joe McLeod from Maslach
Wait.
Chicago Galleries.
Yes, good.
Jim White. He was one of my bigger buyers.
When did people first start talking about fake Morrisseau?
That was 2000, 2001, and all of a sudden they're fakes. It really killed the market.
Yes. Good job.
Don Robinson started it. Well, his prices say he sold the painting for $30,000. I'm selling for $5,000.
Yes.
Now people are going to come to my auction and buy paintings before they're going to go to his place and buy retail. You know, who's going to spend 30 grand? You buy 6 of them at my place for 30 grand.
So Robinson goes to the National Post, gives his bullshit story.
Give it. Yes.
Oh,
Good.
I've discovered this auction house selling Norval Marshall paintings, but I wouldn't buy there because
Give it.
there
Yes.
only we are the authentic one for Norval Marshall.
And the National Post does this article with images of Jim White's Morrisseau paintings.
Tell me about Kinsman Robinson and the competition.
I'm sorry, who? This is where this is going.
I'm just following
No,
up.
who? That's as far as you'll get.
Now give it.
You don't want to tell me about
I'm sorry, what?
Hey. Come on.
Don Robinson was a
Give it.
reading man.
what was he trying to do
He
then?
was trying to corner the market. He was trying to basically corner the market.
Yes.
The white man.
Come on.
You know, where Morrisseau always talks about the white man and the white man ripped him off.
Hey.
There was basically one person who ripped him off
Hey.
more than anything. And that was Don Robinson. It's a shame.
Come on.
Everything they say about me basically is
Yeah.
was just not true.
I started really getting the sense that
Yes.
there was a real ongoing feud with different factions.
Hey. Come on. Come on.
There is a huge cast of characters who appear at the
Yes.
court dates, who write blogs, who will viciously attack you online.
When you say we took some,
You're getting there.
Well, the people that, like Joe McLeod,
Yes.
Joe Tabnick,
Good. Good job.
Goldies, John
Good
Goldie
job.
and Joan Goldie,
Okay, here.
they fought back.
Ready? Sit.
Keep your pocket camera off, please.
Hold it.
I
Yes.
think they're just
Good.
people who have
See,
financial
this is the tricky
interests
part here,
in
where it's like, hey,
the authenticity of these paintings that may be indirectly implicated
Your side.
in these lawsuits.
Okay. Here.
what proportion of your
Molly.
business does Morrisseau represent?
I would say approximately 100% of my
No,
business
sit.
is Morrisseau's. I've dealt in approximately 189 Morrisseau's, but who's keeping track?
I gave some money to help with the lawyers and stuff like that. Yeah, we all did. It
Yes,
was just a little
good.
group of us that used to give out money to help the other guy. Because it was only a fair thing to do, right?
Well, the feud
what's fascinating about it is that it involves
Yes,
so
good.
many characters. Good, bad, ugly. There are lots of them. There are people like Richie Sinclair who has brought a lot of controversy to the table.
Drop it. Yes,
What about
good.
Richie Sinclair? Can you tell me about what he tried to do to the market?
There are matters before the court.
Yes, good.
I identified Jim White on Morso.com
Drop it.
specifically. I
Yes,
said, did you buy
good.
this fake Morso painting from Mr. White?
Drop it. Yes, drop it. Yes, good.
My first impression of Richie
Good job,
is,
baby.
is this guy nuts,
you ready?
or, you know, what's going on, so. But he'd come prepared and he had things
Give
to
it,
show me
yes.
that were solid ideas.
I saw some inferior
Give it.
Morso
Yes, good.
paintings on
That's
the
okay.
internet that I knew weren't done by Norvo.
Give
A
it.
dozen or more
Yes.
legitimate Canadian
Good.
galleries, some of them top flight galleries, were carrying them. A dozen or
Give it.
more galleries,
Yes.
gallery eBay
Good.
channels. Some people contacted me, hassled me for being quiet about it. Star Dreamer, the silence is deafening. Why won't you say
Drop
anything?
it.
Why won't you stand up? for
Yes, good job.
Once I decided I was
Girl.
going to do something about it, I wasn't going to screw around.
Give
And
it.
then I proceeded to upload
Yes,
more than
good.
1,000 images of fake Morso paintings to Morso.com. Inferior counterfeit
Give it.
Morso painting,
Yes.
number 1, number 2, number 3, number
Give it.
4.
Whoop. I'm beating myself. Here. Give it.
And
Yes.
unspeakable. Like I'm gonna set up a website and call Picasso's work fake. They're all fake. Come on. I just thought it
Give
was a
it,
joke
yes.
and nobody would take it seriously. And I was wrong. What devastated
Yes,
the market?
good.
All the art dealers saying, "Oh, Joe, we gotta do something."
That's it.
1 month after I started putting them up, I was sued for $17 million by
Good
9
girl.
paintings,
Good
of
job.
which 5
Good
of them
job.
were galleries.
Great job.
And the Joe Tavnik, even though I had the $17 million lawsuit, he also sued me.
Oh,
My family came from nothing, from a little
Okay.
country called Slovenia.
up here, over here.
And we were given the privilege to live in this country, and what else can you ask for?
Give it.
He has no
Yes.
connection with the art world. He said he was a risk management specialist.
Oh, give it.
But I also
Yes.
diversified into generators and combined heat power systems.
He claims under oath that he has more than 50 Morso paintings.
And here's your typical spirit bear, young Thunderbird, exoskeleton style. Come on, I'll show you some more. I
Sit.
have probably around 35 Norval Morso paintings. This is your typical Norval Morso style too. There's the bird protecting the nest from the evil snake.
He gives all these paintings to
Yes,
his family
good.
and friends to be used as tax benefits.
Just well, that could be a Kmart special for all I know. And this
Yes.
here's my favorite one, Maurice the Rocket Richard.
He sued me for putting an image of his painting on the internet.
Anybody who has called my works fake, I've taken to court.
Yes.
So how many times does that mean?
Let's see. Richie Sinclair, Keynes and Robson, I settled out of court. Maybe 2 or 3 others. I think I sued Richie's roommate too, I believe.